What's up guys? Today we got another 4-minute ab daily workout just for you. Today we're gonna be doing something that's more beginner level with a dumbbell. So for those of you out there that are like, oh, your workouts are too hard, don't worry. I got a nice beginner level workout just for you. Here's the exercises right here, so take a screenshot if you need. 3 times through for a solid workout. But if you guys already worked out for like 45 minutes to an hour today, just do it one time. Here we go. Good solid 4-minute workout today, guys. Don't forget to comment below. Definitely comment if there's an exercise that is too challenging for you. Please comment the exercise. Tell me what is hurting, and I'll give you guys an alternate exercise attached to your comment so you know exactly what you need to switch for this workout. So let's go ahead, let's get a little more engaging here. And don't forget, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
like